Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to thank all my viewers, people who have been supporting this channel. In the last few weeks, this channel have grown really rapidly, and now I'm really glad to inform that we have more than 1,000 subscribers in short period of time. Basically, within few weeks, the channel have grown into 1,000 plus subscribers, and I have no one to thank but the viewers like you. And the part of the reason I really believe the channel grew this fast and so rapidly, basically, it's not because I'm trying to do something different. I'm not my thumbnail are not crazy thumbnails like with a Ferrari or Lamborghini in the background. My videos are not like properly edited. The views that I'm trying to give out here are very candid view. They are like just coming straight from what I see, what I read, and how I analyze the situation. So it's not been tweaked. It's not been edited. So I think, and that's what I believe all this viewers really like to see: unedited view or unedited opinion on how I'm seeing the market and how I'm seeing the technical analysis, what kind of approach that I'm looking at for fundamental analysis. And I believe that's where I'm getting attached, or users are getting attached with Phantom strategy with this channel, especially like having this candid view on the market, on the cryptocurrency, on the individual coins and individual analysis and the videos that I'm posting. So thank you again. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I will be posting new content every day, and my goal is to give you unbiased opinion. I spend more time doing my research on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, so I don't have enough time to do to create crazy thumbnail with a Ferrari or Lamborghini in the background. I have my full-time job where I actually make a decent living, so I don't have time to do all those crazy thumbnail like a lot of other YouTubers are doing. So I don't have a flashy channel. So my apologies if you think my channel is not flashy, or if I don't have very edited content, because I just want to give you unedited content which are like very candid in my view, and so hopefully you like that kind of approach, and we can continue to grow as a community here. All right, so let's dive into today's video review, another one for today. So AppCoin. All right, so I came across AppCoin about a week ago, and I have been doing a lot of research as far as like the fundamentals of AppCoin. What is the problem they're trying to solve, what kind of value they're trying to provide, and so far, I mean, I've been very impressed with AppCoin, and I really genuinely believe they're trying to solve and provide a value to something that is very unique in a sense, and also trying to provide a value to a market that is ever rapidly growing, like it's growing faster than anyone can imagine. So AppCoin is it's been trading since I believe it was January 1st. I think maybe before that, it might be before that, but they started they've been trading in Binance since January 5th, and they had a huge spike. Since then it consolidated a little bit. It tried to make all-time high, did not hold up, and since then it's been in a downward pattern. And I'm seeing this chart pattern. I'm seeing this price action, the candlestick, and it looks like it's creating this this pattern. Let's just draw it out here so you can see it. If I draw this trend line, this downtrend line that came here, and this one from up here. Okay, so if you look at this is a perfect pinch action that's going on right now. All right, so I have a feeling that right now it's in the lower consolidation pattern, and I have a feeling in maybe in the next few days or in a week or so, this might break toward upside with a higher volume. Couple of things in the favor for AppCoin. First of all, it's a very new coin, and I was looking on the coin market cap. So let's look it up real quick. How much supply they have, what is the market cap, and all the good stuff. All right. So market cap is very small, right? Only 155 million. So it had a lot of room to grow. All right. So a lot of room to grow. Only 155 million. So you can imagine, even if it goes to 500 million, this price will, you can just do the math. It will go quite high. All right. Second thing, the circulating supply. All right. Look at the circulating supply is only 100 million, which is very good. And total circulating supply is 250 million. So seems like maybe a lot of their management team have coins that are locked for a longer term, or probably at least a year or so. That's typical. So I have a feeling that this is AppCoin is going to be one of those 2018 coin. So by the end of 2018, you will see and look at the portfolio and see, hey, this was a very good investment. Then I did a little bit further analysis on the AppCoin in general, what exactly is AppCoin. And so let's just watch a quick video on AppCoin. So that will kind of give you what problem they're trying to solve. All right. So let me just come up. I was just watching that video, and it was very interesting to me. So that's the roadmap. Token sale already that happened. That's their team. Okay, here, AppCoin protocol in 3 minutes. So let's watch a quick video of AppCoin protocol.
Mobile apps are eating the world. By 2020, the number of smartphone users is expected to double. Gross revenue earned by the mobile app market is estimated to reach $100 billion by the same year. Yet, the apps economy still presents 3 main challenges. First, advertising is inefficient. There are several intermediaries between the developer and the user, reducing transparency and the potential return for developers. Secondly, in-app purchases are still not accessible to many users, and payment intermediaries increase overall costs. Lastly, app approval is not transparent. It's still difficult to confirm the identity of developers, and there is no universal approach used by app stores. What if there was a solution that could tackle these challenges by reinventing the apps economy?
AppTour has been working on this for the past 5 years, and today with smart contract, we're going to unlock all of those values in app distribution and app monetization for the developers.
This solution is AppCoins, an open and distributed protocol for app stores using blockchain technology and smart contracts. It's the new universal language of the app economy, based on the Ethereum network. How? Let's imagine that it all starts with an app developer investing in cost per install advertising. With the AppCoins model, advertising intermediaries are no longer present. The only margins deduced are for the App Store and for the manufacturer. If the user installs the app, he or she will earn AppCoins that can be spent on in-app purchases. Furthermore, with the AppCoin protocol, the reputation of the app developers comes from their transactional history across stores. All information is stored on the blockchain, making app approval automated across app stores. When it comes to in-app purchases, AppCoins spent by users will also generate bigger margins for the developer, since payment intermediaries are not present anymore. In addition, users with no payment methods can now receive AppCoins from other users and purchase in-app items for the first time.
Disruption happens when we apply a new technology to an old problem. The new technology here is the blockchain. The old problem are the financial transactions inside the App Store. Problem that affects billions of users, and sometimes they don't even realize, and that's the challenge for AppCoins.
Overall, there's an open, circular, and shared protocol that creates a trusted environment for all parties. For developers, a transparent and efficient way to monetize their apps and build a reputation across app stores. For users, a trusted environment with new purchasing possibilities and incentives to discover apps. For app stores, an app economy with a new universal language that ensures trust without intermediaries.
Blockchain and cryptocurrencies bring our platform to the next level. We have always had this vision of a truly open and decentralized platform for apps distribution, and of course these technologies enable it.
We're now very excited that Aptoid is going to use decentralized technology and using the blockchain to really bring crypto technology to the huge user base of 200 million users.
AppCoins, reinventing the apps economy.
All right, so that was a quick AppCoin protocol. So basically, I'm very bullish on, in general, fundamentally, I'm very bullish on mobile device, on the mobile technology, because everything is moving toward mobile technology. Whether it's the smartphones, whether it's the smart watch, everything is going toward mobile, and you will see this shift more and more companies, and there are so many companies out there, they are not even fully utilizing their apps right now. There are so many what do you call it, blue chip companies that are not fully utilizing apps, or they're not completely on the mobile apps right now, and I have a very strong feeling that in years and in months and years to come, app economy and basically the whole mobile arena will be a very, very huge, and it will be like small companies like AppCoin, they will do amazing business. If you look at this, their market share, it's this thing will grow 5 times, 6 times this, and within a year. I won't be surprised if it goes that rapidly. Okay, so that's pretty much the fundamental on AppCoin. The second thing that I looked at is their their team. Okay, so looking at their team, they have a lot of investors or key advisors from Google Play, 10x, Bitcoin Core, Ripple Core. So these guys are very the veterans of blockchain technology, which is fairly new. This technology has been out only 8 years, 10 years. So these guys are a lot of guys. These guys been playing in crypto and blockchain technology for for most of their most of their career. So that is a good advisory team for sure. And their core team, their support team, Polio, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but he's the CEO and the founder. So let's just look at his resume. I like to see. So he's on LinkedIn. You can go check it out on LinkedIn. So he has been working in AppCoin for past 7 months. Education, computer science, PhD in computer science, in fact. So which is very good. A PhD guy who is running, who is a CEO. So you can imagine, his team, his core team will be bunch of guys who are very technical and are not just management or MBA majors. All right. So I like to see that, especially in the startups, where you want to have a management team of guys who are very technical, in a sense that they are they are problem solvers, and not just thinking it from just growing a business and selling a business. All right, because when you have a small team, when you have a small startup like this, you want to have guys in the upper management who are very technical, because that's their brain, their way their brain works is they don't care about they don't care about as much as growing their business, in a sense their brain works in a way that they just want to solve a problem, and they just want to they're more of a problem solvers. All right, if there is a guy who's an MBA guy, he will be thinking about how I can, make this business nice and sell it to a bigger company. All right, so that's just a kind of fun, their analysis behind like how, because I have worked in a startup, I have worked with a big four companies, and I know how people think. And when you have these guys who are very technical in the upper management, this is how they think, and that's what I like to see. So I really think they have a very strong team. I think they have very good strong fundamentals. They have, their website is nice and clean, so it's when the people come and when the investor come and check it out, they can compare it, like what kind of value they're trying to provide, what kind of problem they're trying to solve. So I all in all, I think this is a very good project for 2018. This is one of the hidden gems for 2018. I really believe so. And on coming back to the technical of AppCoin. So as I said, as right now it's in like the sitting right at the pinch format, and I believe it can break toward upside within few days or week. Given we have a positive market condition, one, given we have a major volume that comes in, I want to see this volume bar come up and make the mark toward $2 mark. So that's what I'm looking for in AppCoin. For intermediate, this is a good entry point in my opinion. For intermediate, let's look up the action real quick. The chart. Yes, so for intermediate target, I think is going to be around 233. And then, so the previous support, as I said, previous support becomes resistance now. So it's going to, intermediate target going to be around 230. And then we have a target that's coming up for about $3 and so on. I'm planning to, I hold some position in AppCoin. Not too much, but I'm planning to add more position in AppCoin. And I will be holding AppCoin for longer term. I really genuinely believe in this project, and I think there's a very strong fundamental behind it, a strong team, a strong technical team behind it, and the chart pattern also looks pretty good to me. All right, so that's my wrap on AppCoin. All right, and I hope this helped. Thank you again for liking and subscribing the channel. It means a lot to me. I hope I can continue to do this for you every day, and I will be posting. If you have any questions, about any other coins, I do read all the comments that you guys post. I might get to them sooner rather than later, but it's just like I have to just look at my work schedule as well. All right, so I hope this was helpful. Please let me know, post it in the comment, what do you think about AppCoin, if you're holding a position, and what have you heard from your community on AppCoin, or if you heard anything at all. All right, thank you guys.